Basic Appraisal Principles, page 5, chapter 1. Federal Financial Institutions. 3. Maintain the National Registry of State Certified and Licensed Appraisers. And 4. Monitor and review operations of the Appraisal Foundation. The National Registry maintained by the ASC includes those appraisers who are authorized under federal law to perform appraisals in connection with federally related transactions. This includes the classifications of licensed, certified residential, and certified general. The registry is updated on a regular basis, minimum of monthly, and only by state regulatory agencies. No one else may submit updates to the registry. The FFIEC is a formal interagency body empowered to prescribe uniform principles, standards, and report forms for the federal examination of financial institutions by the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System, FRB, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, the National Credit Union Administration, NCUA, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC, and the Office of Thrift Supervision, OTS, and to make recommendations to promote uniformity in the supervision of financial institutions. The FFIEC is the supervisory authority over the ASC. Appraisal organizations. The appraisal profession has several organizations, both national and state-based, that provide significant direction and support to the appraisal profession. These organizations are leaders in the profession. They demand that their applicants and members continuously prove themselves in the areas of ethical behavior, competency, knowledge, skills, and professionalism. These organizations have had considerable influence on the direction of the appraisal profession. Framework of the appraisal profession. During 1986 and in the midst of the S&L crisis, leading real estate appraisal organizations recognized the need for appraisals based on ethical and standardized practices. These leaders of the appraisal profession collaborated to develop the first set of standards, known as Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice, USPAP. See Figure 1, Period 1. In 1987, the organizations adopted these standards and formed the Appraisal Foundation, TAF, TAF. To understand the purpose of TAF, TAF, the Appraisal Foundation, read its mission statement. Mission statement, the Appraisal Foundation. The Appraisal Foundation, a not-for-profit organization dedicated to the advancement of professional valuation, was established by the appraisal profession in, I think that's the end, Federal Financial Institutions Examination Council, home, www.ffiec.gov. Extra notes. They did a registry maintained, pointing towards the federal financial institutions. It's done automatically. Google Appraisal Organization. Join one at least. It helps with skills and knowledge. Extra note, this is where they have our supervisor, and it's pointing towards the Office of Thrift Supervision, OTS. The roast course, appraisals, false, misleading, fondling, I don't know what the hell that says. 877-253-8964, New Mexico BT fraud detection. 9199, temp, hour, surge, call, back, case number or something, I don't know. Put together use PAP 2 years before it was mandated.